Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how we can crossplay the human fall flag between Steam and Xbox. Now, important thing to know is that it isn't any crossplay right now across a platform. The only way how we can do it is if you're gonna have Xbox and PC, but you need to have the Microsoft Game Pass version of the game on PC. Steam version won't work. So if you're looking for the crossplay, it's not going to work right now. So I just want to make this like quick video for you. And have a great day and goodbye.